Hi guys, this is Miss Carlton, and I have made this video for you guys to go over our new ELA classes, how our new format's going to go for the next few weeks in class, and I wanted to make it as easy as possible for you guys to understand, so I thought a video might help. I'm presenting to you today this ELA Pandemic Choice Board. It's for English 9, 10, American Lit, and Brit Lit. So anybody who's in English is doing the same assignments, okay? The directions are going to be found on slide 2. This whole board, this whole presentation will be posted in Google Classroom on Monday morning. So I just want you to know it's coming with this video. The directions are on slide 2, and basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to see a board full of tasks, okay? There's like 27 possible choices for you to choose from as far as assignments go for the next few weeks. And you can choose whichever tasks you want to complete. You have to accumulate 3 stars during the week. And the different assignments are rated different stars. So there's going to be some assignments that will take a shorter amount of time and they only get 1 star. And some assignments are pretty big assignments, so it would be worth, like an essay or something would be worth 3 stars. So you have to have 3 stars each week starting this week. So on Friday, you need to have assignments worth 3 stars completed, okay? So don't try to do too much and turn it in all at once, because stars from week 1 don't carry over to week 2. So if you're going to do them all in one day, you're welcome to, but hold on to them and only turn them in 3 stars each week, okay? That way we don't get confused in our grading when we're grading this for you. All of these projects on this choice board will count as assessment grades. Okay, so if you complete 3 1-star assignments for the week to equal your 3 stars, then those 3 grades will be averaged together for 1 assessment grade for the week. So you will get a weekly choice board assignment grade in PowerSchool. Okay, and it will be an assessment grade. All right, so I just want you to know that before we go through it. And if you're confused by this, it's okay. You can ask a billion questions, text me, email me, call me, come to my virtual classes, and we'll talk about everything. All right? Okay, so here are the 1-star tasks. We've got here a 1-star task. And again, I'm not going to read all of these to you because there's a ton of stuff in here. You're just going to have to go through. We try to give you examples in here. These are all the 1-star tasks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11. 11 1-star tasks. Okay, and then 2-star tasks. There's, we try to make them fun. Some of them you're going to be doing art. Some of them you're going to be doing comic strips. Some of them you're going to be doing, here's a diary entry. All kinds of different things. Videos you can watch. Movies you can watch. And comment on. So all kinds of different types of activities for different kinds of people. So everybody's going to pick different things. 3-star tasks, these are the ones that are bigger projects. And if you get these completed, then you're done for the week. You just do 1 a week. There's a gamer's game. There's an assignment where you read a novel or you watch a film. There's a link here to write an essay, compare, contrast essay. Here's a documentary review that you're going to watch a documentary and review it. A graphic novel. All kinds of different stuff. I'm going to let you guys read it and then ask questions on whichever ones you want to ask on, okay? So there's all kinds of stuff. And this last one is one I wrote, and it actually mirrors the data research assignment that we did for our Inside Fear project. So if you completed that Inside Fear data project, this is going to be pretty easy for you, just so that you know. Okay, so that's it. That's the little PowerPoint that I wanted to show you. I'm going to exit full screen here and pull us out of this. Okay. Then, in addition to the 1 assessment grade on choice board activity that you choose each week, in addition to that 1 grade, you will receive 2 other grades in PowerSchool. Okay. And I'm getting ready to show them to you right now. The first one is the activator question. So every single day you will see a Google form, and it'll say activator question of the day. It'll have the day on it. Okay, I'll post a new one each day. And basically it's just going to be my name is, your teacher is, and it's a USA test prep multiple choice question. Okay, it's just to get your brain thinking about English. So it's a super easy one question Google form. You pop it in, you complete it, you're done. It'll take you about a minute. Okay, and those, there's one every day, so they're worth 2 points each for a 10-point assignment in my class. Okay, so that's going to be a weekly 10-point assignment grade for your activator question of the day. Okay, and you'll see that in Power School. Say activator question week 1, whatever. And week 1 will be all of those questions in one grade. All right, I hope you understood that. All right, so the last grade, okay, because there's going to be 3 grades in Power School. There's going to be your activator question every day. There's going to be your choice board assessment assignment every single day. And there will also be your daily reflection grade every day. Okay, and this is what this looks like. You guys can see my screen. So it looks like another Google form. It's going to be really easy to fill out. It basically it asks your first name, last name, your teacher again. It's going to ask you what day of the week it is. You're going to complete this one every single day. You're going to reflect on your assignment every single day. You're going to check the assignments that you've chosen to work on for the week. You see here, these are all the assignment names. Okay. And you're going to answer some simple questions every day about your progress. Okay. Like, do you understand the directions? How are you doing on your progress? And again, you can say, I haven't decided what to do. You can say that every single day until Friday. Okay. So you don't have to have chosen it by Monday. We're not expecting that. We just want you to be honest on where you are. How's your effort level? And how interesting do you find your task? And then any questions, comments, or concerns for us. Okay. So that's going to be your reflection. That's what your reflection survey looks like, as you can see here. Should be very quickly to fill out, and that will be a reflection grade based on you turning in 5 copies of this form every single day. I'll post it again, and you will do another entry onto this form every single day, and that will add up to 10 points of that grade. So you got 3 grades for the week in Power School for me. Every single week for the next 4 weeks, probably. Okay, you're going to have your activator grade. You're going to have 1 assessment choice board grade per week. And you're going to have 1 daily reflections grade per week. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. There's also going to be a 4th grade. And guess what that one is? Extra credit. If you show up for my classes, oops, I got something blocking me here. If you show up for my classes, during the week, if you pop in, say hello, and ask me a question during our virtual classes, then you will receive extra credit points, just like you've been for the last 2 weeks. So good luck, guys. And this is just an intro. I'll post more videos later explaining stuff more in detail. Have a great one.